Ever found yourself grappling with the task of finding a trustworthy, reliable electrician? It's a struggle, isn't it? The endless online searches, the uncertainty of quality, and the concern over cost. Well, worry no more. Introducing our service contract and maintenance agreement, a comprehensive solution designed to ease your worries and provide top-notch electrical services. This agreement, available at an affordable premium, covers up to 5 properties, a boon for those managing multiple buildings. Shift from operating under a reactive service culture to a proactive maintenance culture. The benefits are numerous. For starters, we offer 24-hour emergency call service. That's right, anytime you experience electrical challenges, we're there. Day or night, rain or shine, our team is ready to assist. Next, we offer normal maintenance. We don't just provide a quick fix. Instead, we delve deep, investigating the issue before applying a solution, ensuring the problem won't resurface unexpectedly. But it doesn't stop there. Our turnkey maintenance service goes a step further. We investigate, fix, and even procure replacement parts if necessary. You won't have to lift a finger. We also offer proactive maintenance. In this case, we replace or fix things before they break. It's like having a crystal ball for your electrical systems. And that's not all. We also conduct a technical audit, assessing all electrical apparatus and providing a detailed report on their lifespan and maintenance requirements. And for those expanding or erecting new structures, we've got you covered. We provide the labor, you only worry about the material procurement. But what about the number of properties? Well, the more the merrier. With our service, the number of properties covered by a single level is flexible. And if you own multiple properties, we offer discounts, up to 30% off. And to top it all off, we will visit your property once every 2 months for routine maintenance. In a world where reliability and quality service are paramount, our service contract and maintenance agreement stands tall. So why wait? Save time, money, and stress. Sign up for our service today and experience the peace of mind you deserve. Act now and make your electrical worries a thing of the past. Call us at Boykamy Electrical on 0798512358 or WhatsApp us on 0711391841.